Hello, you are watching Balahippo Math Genius Riddles. The given informations x, y, z are positive integers. Then to fulfill x plus y plus z equal to 30 and x, y, z equal to 180. Find the value for x, y, z. It seems easy, but not really. Can you try it? In this video, we are sharing nice math logic to get the result. Pause the video and submit while you are ready. Keep watching the video to know the result. We have two equations, x plus y plus z equal to 30 and x, y, z equal to 180. The basic way, due to x, y, z are positive integers, so just find the factors of 180. 180 equal to 1 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. So these factors list as the video. 1, 2, to 20, and 30, 36, to 90, 180. Then we have to meet x plus y plus z equal to 30, means x, y, z should less than 30. After that, remove the second part of the factor list. Then try to match the rest factors to fulfill these two given informations. It's not difficult. Just try and error. Okay, another idea is I'm going to shrink the value range of x, y, z. So let x plus y plus z equal to 30 as equation 1, x, y, z equal to 180 as equation 2. Equation 1 divided by equation 2 as x plus y plus z over x, y, z equal to 30 over 180. The fractions in the left side of equations distribute to three fractions. The equation becomes x over xyz plus y over xyz plus z over xyz equal to 1 over 6. Simplify and arrange the sequence as 1 over xy plus 1 over yz plus 1 over zx equal to 1 over 6. Then we define 1 over xy larger or equal to 1 over yz larger or equal to 1 over zx. It leads that 1 over xy less than 1 over 6. Got xy larger than 6. The second information substitutes 1 over yz and 1 over zx by 1 over xy in these equations. Got 3 over xy larger or equal to 1 over xy plus 1 over yz plus 1 over zx equal to 1 over 6. 3 over xy larger or equal to 1 over 6, then xy less or equal to 18. Now we get the range for x times y. It larger than 6 and less or equal to 18. Compared to the factors of 180, we narrow down the value range of xy. They are 9, 10, 12, 15, and 18. We know xyz equal to 180. Then if xy equal to 9, z equal to 20, xy equal to 10, z equal to 18, xy equal to 12, z equal to 15, xy equal to 15, z equal to 12, and xy equal to 18, z equal to 10. Then x plus y plus z equal to 30. We know the value of z. Then x plus y equal to 10, 12, 15, 18, and 20. After that, compare x plus y and the xy value in the video list. We find x plus y equal to 20, 18, 15, and 12, no solutions. The solution is x plus y equal to 10 and z equal to 20. Finally, we get x equal to 1 and y equal to 9. So the solution is 1 plus 9 plus 20 equal to 30. 1 times 9 times 20 equal to 180. Hope you to enjoy the video. Thank you.